Yeah, that guy in the flannel. When I saw him die, I'm like, I'm going. As I mentioned in my last video, this is some of my favorite footage that I'm waiting to show you.